Oh my gosh, where do I even begin? Wow, it's almost overwhelming. It's a huge life change. It was announced yesterday, Thursday, on my station's website. Two big things. Number one, I am retiring from my TV news position at KPRC TV after 28 years of service to the Houston community. 28 incredibly blessed years to be able to be a news anchor in a community that I call home, a community where I was raised, and a community that I absolutely love and adore. And it's never an easy decision to say goodbye to something that has served you so well, has provided so much joy, so much reward in terms of feeling a strong sense of contribution, a strong sense of community within the KPRC family. The people there are like family to me. I've spent most of my adult life working there. So it's a tough one when it's time to say goodbye and to move on to a new chapter in your life. So this is definitely a new chapter. And let me talk to you a little bit about the impetus of that chapter and how all of this came to be. As you know, in my videos, they initially started back in 2014 with tutorials, hair, makeup, fashion, and whatnot. And within those tutorials, I always wanted to sprinkle some of me in there, some of my philosophy, belief system of what beauty is and self-care. And so I would always add words of encouragement. My tagline, "Be bold and be blessed," is very significant because it represents a very strong belief system of mine in making bold moves in your life, in making decisions that can be big, scary, and impactful, and for you to reap the blessings in return. And so throughout the years, imparting those little bits of those little nuggets in those videos, and a lot of that would really come out in the Q&A videos where you would pick my brain about a lot of different things, varied relationships, hormones, style, organization, and whatnot. So I was really able to infuse a lot of how I like to live my life, what my goals and aspirations are, and what serves me to be the best me possible. And it was through those moments that I started to hear from you a lot. I have received letters from all over the world, from women who are going through so many different life changes, life experiences, and they write about a moment where they discovered one of my videos and maybe they heard that special word of encouragement that they needed to hear, and it touched them in such a way that they felt compelled to write. And I have saved and collected all of these beautiful handwritten letters and emails that I've received that talk about that sort of defining moment in their life where they said, I'm going to dig in my heels and I'm going to be better, do better, invest in myself, take better care of myself. I've put myself on the back burner. I've been neglected and no more, it's time for me. And I would just well up with emotion in reading this because little did I realize that my videos would have that kind of impact on women, that sort of life-changing impact. And so through the years, I would get these little nudges from women saying, you should write a book. You really ought to write a book. I think you've got it in you. And so I would toy with it and thought, yeah, sure, later, why not? Like I have a lot of free time, right? And then I'll never forget one morning, I was at church and it was in 2018 and I got a tap on the shoulder from somebody behind me and she whispered in my ear, you should write a book. And I don't know, maybe it was the culmination of all of these messages coming to me, but the fact that I heard it in church that morning and it came from her, I felt it was as if God whispered, this is something that you need to do. And so it is something that I took on in 2018 because I have so much free time. I started to write. I started to write on the weekends. I would write early in the morning. I would write late at night when I got home from work, sometimes clicking away on my computer at 1 o'clock in the morning. And I put together enough to be able to then take that material and shop it around and see if I could secure a publisher. So after my second appearance on the Today Show, I was with my literary agent in New York, and we had a list of publishers to go see, talk to them about the book and whatnot. Well, sure enough, the publisher that bit was the Nelson division of HarperCollins. And I honestly believe it could not have been a better partnership for me. The women who work there are so encouraging and supportive. And we've kind of coined a nickname for ourselves. You know, instead of partners in crime, we call ourselves partners in prime, because we're all women of the same age. And so my content was so relatable to them. And I think it's why it clicked. And we have this beautiful symbiotic relationship. And I just feel so blessed to have the Nelson division behind me and in support of this book. And so I knew once that happened, it was time to get out the gate and to get cracking. And so I did, and I have. And the book is complete, and I am so excited to tell you that it's going to be released April 5th of 2022. So a little bit about the book. It's called Life Makeover, Embrace the Bold, Beautiful, and Blessed You. Make no mistake, this book is not about me. It is about you. It's about the viewer, soon to be the reader, who is looking to live her best life. And I'm meeting you right where you are. You know, there's something very special about this age and phase in our lives, and I call it in our prime. And it could be defined as 40s, 50s, 60s, whatever. But it's that time of life when sometimes you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and you're not quite sure who that person is staring back at you. You're in a transitionary period in your life. It could be personal, it could be professional, it could be children leaving the house and you're having to redefine your role, what you do, who you are. And this book is about that. And it's about beauty from the outside in, which is a model that I have coined because I really, really believe, and I see this is what I've seen so much on this channel, is women embracing the content and starting by making over their exterior, but in turn what they're doing is they're making over their lives. And that's why the book is called Life Makeover, because it truly is just that. It is a purpose-driven, intention-driven book with a lot of vulnerability, a lot of personal stories on my end to share with you how I reached a certain mindset and how I approached things in my life, the successes, the failures, the picking up, the dusting off, the getting back up, the doing it again, doing it differently. But it's really about firmly saying, I am valuable, I am worth it, I am deserving of a great life, a passion-filled life, a purpose-filled life, and I'm going to take steps now to make that happen. And so if this is the kind of message that resonates with you, and I hope it does, then I am excited to say the book will be available to you in the spring. If you would like to learn a little bit more, what I'm going to do is provide a link to my website, which has been completely updated. And I hope you go over there, take a look at the landing page so you'll be able to see more about the book and some more details. Please, I encourage you also to peruse through the website. You'll learn more about me. I'm a very charity-driven person, and I've got a page on there of causes and things that are meaningful and important to me. And I know a lot of you ask me about that, and so I want to share that side of me with you as well. So maybe you could learn about some things that you can hook into and that might speak to you. But it's kind of awesome to see all of this come to fruition. And truth be told, the book is Life Makeover, and I didn't quite realize it at the time, but I would be going through one at the same time with the end of what has been a very stable and great and predictable career. I am cutting the tether and moving into instability, entrepreneurship, focusing more on my YouTube content and being able to maybe even produce more there as well. I'm not going to commit yet. We'll see how things go. But there's going to be a book to promote, and who knows where it all leads. But it was, for me personally, time for a life transition. We all have that little inner voice that speaks to us, and sometimes it's soft, and then sometimes it gets louder and louder and louder to the point where it's almost deafening. And we must act on that inner voice. You can call it your instinct, you can call it God. I call it God. I really believe that He spoke to me in such a strong and powerful way in this transition of mine. And I am thrilled to be able to share with you what it is that I've been working on for these past couple of years and where my focus is going to be from here on out. So a retirement from me doesn't mean sitting back and sort of resting on my laurels and saying, good job. It means, what's next? How can I do more? How can I do better? How can I pace myself better? That's something that I address in the book as well. The importance of pacing, rest, and self-care, as well as faith. There are so many subjects that I delve into that I really do believe makes the woman whole and complete. And so as time goes by, you will learn more and see more. But I do want to let you know that my last day on KPRC is going to be Friday, October 29th. And the 6 o'clock will be my final newscast. And so you'll have an opportunity to take part in a pre-sale. If you feel compelled and excited and want to get it early, I know it's way out, but that's okay. I would love to have you there and to have you, interested enough in wanting to buy the book so early enough. So I don't know what to say. It's mind-blowing to me just how amazing you are. And really none of this could have happened without you, without your support, without you being here, without you cheering me on and encouraging me and asking for more from me, made me feel compelled to give more back to you. And I've always said that this audience, this community, that's what I call you, is so supportive and so strong and so encouraging. And I really do think that we feed off each other and we give and we get from one another. And so it's because of you that I'm here, and it's because of you that this book got written. And I am just over the moon happy to be able to have an opportunity to impact women in another way, in a deeper way. So I'm happy to share, and that's my news, and I know it's a lot. It's a lot of big news, but it's really, really exciting. And so, like I said, one chapter ends, another one begins. You will always find me here on YouTube. I will keep my consistent schedule of every Thursdays at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. If I have the time to offer up more videos, I will let you know when and how, and we'll keep you looped in. But in the meantime, thank you for your support and encouragement. Thank you for planting that seed in me and believing that I had more to offer. I feel so blessed because of you.